There are so many ways in which the roots of one plant may differ from that of another. Here are just a few examples. For example, roots can change in one plant over the course of its lifetime. And so here in a buttercup, one can compare the vascular tissue in the center of the root in a young root compared to the vascular tissue and the cross-like orientation that it takes in a more mature root as the separate bands of vascular tissue have fused. And so here you can observe that as a plant ages, its roots structure may change. There is an obvious significant structural difference between the roots of herbaceous plants, those plants whose above ground portions die back every year, but which retain the rootstock from which the shoots can grow again. And in comparison, the woody roots depicted here, which obviously have a greater percentage of the vascular tissue, such as the xylem, which is even capable of secondary growth. Finally, you can observe the differences in the roots of an annual dicot, in which there is no secondary growth, no additional layers being added with each year, and a perennial dicot, in which there is secondary growth, and one can observe that there are different layers of xylem which have been added, secondary xylem, in addition to the original primary xylem.